be drawing a cartoon bunny today, right over here. It will be our model. Okay, so let's start. We'll start by drawing the bunny's two eyes in the middle. Okay, there. See? Okay. There. And then we will add another circle in and two smaller circles inside. And the same thing in the other eye. Okay, now we will be drawing the nose. We'll draw a little triangle and draw little lines. And then we will draw a oval. And then now for the two ears. The two ears, okay. But first, we'll draw the insides of the ear. Okay. Here we go. Now to draw the little dress thing. I don't really want to draw the dress thing but okay. Alright. Now here. Okay. Starting from over here, we will go out and then round back in. Same thing on the other side. Third one. And then there, we have it. We're done drawing our cartoon bunny, which I think mine is pretty bad, but I'm pretty sure you can make yours better. And today I'm gonna color it. Okay, so I'm gonna get started. Okay. So I'll color the ears pink. We're done with the body. Now, okay. Now for the insides of the ears. Let's see. Light blue. Drawings to practice into making my YouTube channel.